Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best smartwatch is probably one of the most versatile gadgets you can own today, seamlessly blending fitness tracking, communication, and convenience right on your wrist, making it an indispensable tool for staying connected and informed throughout your busy day, whether you're crushing your fitness goals or managing your schedule on the go. Number 5. Science for You Brachiosaurus Fossil Digging Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. You'll excavate and assemble 11 pieces to create a fantastic Brachiosaurus fossil. Learn how to dig like a real archaeologist. This kit includes everything you need for your dig. You'll find an excavation block, chisel, and hammer to uncover your dinosaur. Discover fascinating facts about dinosaurs and what caused their extinction with the included educational book. It's a fun and educational experience. Designed for curious minds aged 6 and up, this toy encourages learning through science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. Looking for a unique gift? This dinosaur fossil toy is a memorable present for any child who loves dinosaurs and science. It's approved by parents and loved by kids. What we like. Unearth the past and become a paleontologist with this exciting digging kit. If you have a child fascinated by dinosaurs and eager to learn through hands-on activities, this is the perfect choice. It combines the thrill of discovery with educational content about extinction, making it an unforgettable gift. What people say. This book is a great resource for learning scientific vocabulary in French. The explanations are clear and concise, making it easy to understand complex concepts. The exercises provided help reinforce learning and test comprehension. Number 4. Panier de Sens Small Hand Cream. Are your hands feeling dry and cracked? Our small hand cream is designed to provide intensive care and relief. It's the perfect solution for restoring comfort to your skin. Infused with the goodness of shea butter and honey extract, this mini hand lotion deeply nourishes your skin. Experience the softening and hydrating benefits of these natural ingredients. We believe in the power of nature. This hand care product is formulated with 97% natural ingredients, ensuring a gentle yet effective treatment for your hands. Its convenient travel size makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Keep your hands moisturized and protected on the go, anytime and anywhere. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to soft, supple skin. This cream revitalizes your hands, leaving them feeling smooth and rejuvenated after every application. What we like. Experience deep hydration and natural care for your hands. If you suffer from dry or cracked skin and prefer products with natural ingredients, this travel-sized cream is ideal. Its rich formula provides comfort and protection on the go. What people say. This book is a great resource for learning scientific vocabulary in French. The explanations are clear and concise, making it easy to understand complex concepts. The book covers a wide range of topics within the sciences and technology fields. Number 3. Engino Inventor Motorized Models STEM Kit. Unleash your creativity and build 30 incredible motorized machines. With the included motor, your creations will move, spin, and function just like the real thing. This kit is designed to teach mechanical design and motor control through exciting hands-on projects. It's a fun way to develop problem-solving skills for future innovators. Follow along with step-by-step instructions, available both in print and through our 3D app. Enjoy a perfect blend of screen-free and digital learning. This building kit grows with your child, adapting to their developing skills. It makes learning STEM exciting and accessible for everyone. Crafted in Europe with precision and safety-tested materials, these toys are built to last. They are designed to support your child's journey from simple builds to complex motorized creations. What we like. Bring engineering concepts to life with this dynamic building set. If you are looking for an engaging STEM toy that teaches practical engineering skills and problem-solving, this kit is a fantastic option. It's perfect for aspiring young engineers who enjoy seeing their creations move and function. What people say. The parts snap together in many directions, and the motorized builds add an exciting hands-on element that keeps kids engaged. Builds can be challenging, which means adult guidance may help at first, but that complexity is part of what makes it a valuable STEM experience. My son especially loves the grip rubber wheels, they make the vehicles feel more real and fun to play with. Number 2. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of our vitamin C serum, formulated to bring out your skin's natural radiance. It's designed to revitalize and enhance your complexion. Combat the visible signs of aging with this potent serum. It works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles for a smoother look. Tired of dark spots? This formula is crafted to visibly improve the appearance of discoloration. Achieve a more even and luminous skin tone. Experience deep hydration thanks to hyaluronic acid and nourishing vitamin E. It leaves your skin feeling soft, supple, and revitalized. Gentle yet effective, this serum is suitable for all skin types. Enjoy its benefits regardless of your skin's unique needs. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for a consistent glow. It's the perfect addition to help you achieve healthier looking skin. What we like. Reveal a more radiant and youthful complexion with this powerful serum. If you are seeking to address signs of aging, improve skin tone, and reduce the appearance of dark spots and wrinkles, this formula is for you. It's suitable for all skin types looking for a revitalizing boost. What people say. The first serum was a 2-ounce bottle, and I don't recommend doing that size because vitamin C oxidizes pretty quickly, so the 1 ounce is perfect so you get the highest quality in my opinion. My stubborn dark spots are fading and my overall complexion is so dewy. With or without makeup, my skin is bright, smooth, and my spots are disappearing. Number 1. La Roche-Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover the ultimate daily moisturizer designed for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and lasting hydration without any fragrance. This face cream is formulated with ceramides and niacinamide to help repair and strengthen your skin barrier. Experience a healthier looking complexion with consistent use. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or sensitive, this moisturizer is perfect for you. It delivers essential hydration without causing irritation. Enjoy a feeling of relief and comfort that lasts all day. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and supple. We've created this product without any added fragrances, making it ideal for even the most sensitive skin. Enjoy pure skincare without compromise. Incorporate this double repair moisturizer into your daily routine for visibly improved skin. It's the perfect solution for maintaining healthy, hydrated skin. What we like. Soothe and replenish your skin with this gentle, effective moisturizer. If you have sensitive or dry skin and need a daily cream that provides immediate comfort and lasting hydration without fragrance, this is an excellent choice. It helps to repair and protect the skin barrier effectively. What people say. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, doesn't feel greasy, and most importantly, it doesn't irritate my skin, instead, it soothes it. It has a lightweight, non-greasy texture that absorbs quickly into the skin without feeling heavy or oily. It hydrates without clogging pores, and I've noticed less redness overall. The fact that it contains ceramides and niacinamide is a huge plus if you're trying to repair your skin barrier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.